Welcome to video 2 on how to tap into your own intuition and your gut instinct. In the first video, we practiced coming into the body and feeling what a yes and a no feels like, also noticing any rocking sensations of yes and no. And before you start to ask yourself, is it a yes or a no? Or ask a question, is it a yes or a no? It's about really going yes, 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 and feeling where the body sways and moves. Also noticing how a yes feels in the body, open, expanded, light, versus no, which is pulling back in, withdrawing. The more you practice it, the quicker and more clear you'll get the answer. Now, that first video, you want to practice that as much as you can, especially before the third video, where we're going to use a more advanced technique. And so really being able to feel that yes and no is important. For the second video, we're going to work with a pendulum. Now, you can take a string and tie something weighted, a weighted rock, or something that's a jewel or a gem to the bottom. But you want to connect with your pendulum. So when I actually go into a shop and look at what pendulum I want to buy, I pick it up and I just sort of breathe and sense into it. And I'll start by asking a question. So we'll just stop it because this one, we get along very well, this pendulum and I. Is the first thing I'll say is, are we in communication? And I'll ask the pendulum, are we in communication? And it will start to respond. You might get, sort of like a shaking or a quiver out of it. But I'm asking, are we in communication? And it's letting me know that, yes, we are in communication. So then I'll ask it, show me a yes. Typically, a yes with the pendulum is a circle. Not always, so you always want to ask it. And then show me a no. Show me a yes. And if you're watching my hand, I'm not moving my hand, holding my arm high enough so you can see. Show me a clear yes. It feels like it's playing a bit shy. There we go. Show me a clear no. So once you've established that you're in communication and you've established that what is a yes and what is a no, you can start to ask it questions. So you can test it and say, am I a male? Am I a female? Is my name Linda? Is my name Paul? Right, so you can start to ask it just some questions just to sort of make sure that you guys are in sync. Sometimes you might have a few different pendulums and you can pick the one that is kind of resonating with you on that day, the one that's really kind of feels like you're working together as a team. So then when it comes to yeses and nos, you would ask a very basic question that only the answer is yes or only the answer is no. And I always like to add the same thing as I did in the first video, for the highest vibrational outcome or for the greater good. And so start with something easy, like play with it, have some fun. It could be something simple. So are we in communication? Whenever you start fresh, show me a yes. See, now it's moving a little better. Good. And show me a no. So I could ask a question like, is going out for dinner tonight the best thing for the highest vibe? Oh, it wants me to go out for dinner. It doesn't want me to cook. Is going out for dinner to a restaurant tonight for the highest vibrational outcome? Is staying home the best thing? It wants me to go out. Wow, that's pretty lucky. All right. So it could ask something like, okay, show me a yes. Show me a clear yes. Show me a no. And then it only knows in the present positive tense. So I can ask, should I have fish tonight? Is fish tonight the best thing for the highest vibrational outcome? Is fish tonight the best thing for the highest vibrational outcome? Is steak tonight the best thing for the highest vibrational outcome? Is a hamburger the best thing for a highest vibrational outcome? Is salmon the best thing for the highest vibrational outcome? So it's wanting me to have salmon. So definitely sticking to fish. Now that's what my body's wanting right now. When it comes to actually cooking dinner, then I'll go back and I'll ask it. But you can ask things like if you're in a query, right? Like things like, am I on track with my health? Am I on track? So anything that kind of gives you a direction of yes or no in terms of, gosh, should I choose this or that? It can also be, do I need more answers? Do I need more information? Do I have more questions? Those are things that you can ask it as well. So go get yourself a pendulum. It's lots of fun. There are as many high level things you can do with a pendulum where you can work with charts and grids and ask it questions, and it will work with the different grids. But for now, we're just playing with what is a yes and what is a no, and starting with simple questions as a way for you to really connect into what's in alignment with you right here, right now. So video 2 is done. Video 3, we're going to try one more technique or learn one more technique on how to feel into a yes and a no using your intuition and your